Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this TobenOne wireless 4K receiver and transceiver. So how this works is that this is going to play my laptop screen onto this monitor with zero cables involved. It's going to be totally wireless. So let me explain how it works. This is the transceiver. It's plugged into the USB-C port of my laptop here. This also has a couple additional ports, two USB-Cs, a USB-A, another USB-C, and then an HDMI port right there. So that's all you have to plug in on the laptop side. On the monitor side, you have to plug in this little cable right here. So this is HDMI, standard HDMI cable, but it has a wire coming off of it that needs to be plugged into a power source. So some TVs will have an HDMI port that you could plug that in, or you plug it into a power brick. And then you're gonna get this screen on your monitor, no signal, waiting. And then it should just be as simple as pushing that button right there. It's gonna turn white. And then in a minute here, we should see our screen is doing something here. We should see our screen pop up right here, and boom, that is the exact note that is on my screen. And this is capable of broadcasting 4K, which is crazy because 4K, guys, if you don't know, is a lot of data, and for it to be doing it totally wirelessly across there is very nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the responsiveness here. It's near instantaneous, and the picture quality is good too. So check it out, a super cool device from TobenOne, and links will be down below.